What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls and flakes, we shoot them over top, and then we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1, we don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. Today, I'm real excited to bring you a brand new set of Colorshift pearls I just picked up. And the best part about these Colorshift pearls is you can buy them in bulk as well, and they're on the cheaper side, which is really cool. And we're going to test them out today, see how we like them. They're Sia brand Colorshift pearls. Now, this is a sample kit. I have it on my Amazon page if you want to try it out. But the Colorshift I'm using today over gloss black and thundercloud gray is called Fire Phoenix. Now, this shifts from green to red to all kinds of different colors. Honestly, I never sprayed it out before, so I don't really know, but it looks pretty cool in the powder form. So I'm excited to do everything today to spray it out, to bring you these brand new pearls, and start a whole new chapter in the Rustoleum Custom Mix series. So I got my fender prepped up behind me. We're going to two-tone them with really cool Rustoleum colors, shoot a Colorshift pearl over it, and then decide if we love it or not, guys. Let's get into today's video. Guys, so we got our fender behind me, two-tone with our Rustoleum colors, thundercloud gray and gloss black. Now, this is a Colorshift we're doing today, so I got my clear ready right here. This is a 4-to-1 mix. I'm doing 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of medium activator, so I'm going to put that in the mix. And obviously, I'm sure you're familiar with a lot of the different mica powder companies, be it KP Pigments, Did Spade, Eye Candy, that's a new one. Sia has actually been around for a while too, and they're one of the lesser known ones. I haven't seen really anybody use their pearls in this application, which is why I decided I wanted to do it. I wanted to stand out and be different and try new things that I know I haven't seen on YouTube, because there's tons of it out there, guys, with all different types of things. Tons of YouTubers doing different spray outs. But anyways, today, like I said, the Colorshift we're using is called Fire Phoenix. I got my mix. Total is 5 ounces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get as close to a teaspoon as I can of powder. Shake it out. Yeah, that's about 3/4 of a teaspoon into this mix. Now, like I said, I have not sprayed with this before, so I don't know what effect it's going to give, for 1, and 2, I don't know what pigment load to use, so we're going to learn together. But either way, I got my pigment in here. Before I mix it up, I'm going to show you guys this up close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Fire Phoenix. Now, if you see it, you can see it's got a lot of like a ghost green hue, but also it's got some pinks, some browns or golds, and as far as the mix itself goes, well, it is a solid Colorshift pearl, so you actually see the color in the mix. So let's get to mixing. Wow, that's pretty cool, pretty vivid. This reminds me a lot of the golden Colorshift pearl we've used, guys, in a lot of videos, where I used it to recreate that midnight purple for the skyline, but this has got a green hue to it also. So I'm really interested to see what this does over the panel. Well, ain't nothing to do but load up the gun and get to spraying, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my Fire Phoenix Colorshift pearl loaded up in my V-Bore gun today. It's a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to do a light coat first over this, as always, just to make sure I don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till I get the desired effect, and then we'll take this crazy new Colorshift out in the light and see what it does. So I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Fire Phoenix. Very interesting color shift from Sea of Pigments. Obviously, a lot of purples, a lot of pinks, a lot of shifting with, that's crazy. You see like a purple, and then it shifts back to green, and man, this is pretty crazy. Even over the lighter color, man, it's, wow. Yeah. This is definitely a cool color shift, guys, and a great option if you want to make your car stand out. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Gloss Black and Thundercloud Gray with a Sea of brand pigment called Fire Phoenix Color Shift Solid Pearl, guys. Man, this is a pretty crazy color shift pearl. It reminds me a lot of the Rustoleum in the can. The brighter color, of course, this right here, it does a whole lot more shifting, and with being able to add the powder into the mix on the clear or into like a clear binder, you can actually paint a whole car with this using the links below. But man, I thought this was a pretty cool spray out today, guys, but it won't ultimately up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. New merch is available now. If you want to buy this pearl, if you want to buy clear, the paint guns, anything you saw in today's episode, links in the description. As seen on YouTube takes you to my Amazon store. You can purchase everything there. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. If you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. We are trying to grow so I can continue doing cool spray outs like this. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.